Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my September 2021 passive income report. I'm going to be sharing with you how much money I made as a seller of Amazon FBA, Amazon merch, non-Amazon merch print on demand, Amazon KDP, and Google AdSense. Let's get started. Really quickly, just wanted to plug the free weekly print on demand giveaway. 2 winners are going to be randomly selected and announced this upcoming Sunday, and you can enter for free using the link at the top of the description. The 2 winners will receive a license to Flying Research, print on demand research tools, Automate POD, print on demand design creation automation, All American Graphics, premium pre-made graphics to help you with your designs, and Bubble Scout, the best Redbubble research tool. Also, while you're in the description, I've got some free mini courses that'll help you get started with each of the passive income streams that I'm going to talk about today. And I've got an awesome Facebook community if you'd like to join. All right, let's get over to the income report. So let's start with my Amazon FBA sales. I did 768 sales in the month of September, bringing in $16,822 in revenue. My profit was $4,385, gross margin about 26%. And just to be transparent with you guys, the software that I was using called Fetcher, I love that software. It was owned by Jungle Scout, but they didn't really maintain it. And unfortunately, like a week before the end of the month, something like that, maybe it was like the middle of the month, they basically, it's gone. So they got rid of Fetcher. And that was the software I used to get my exact profit analytics. So I'm not going to lie, these are more estimates as I transition over to Jungle Scout Profit Analytics, which is their replacement for Fetcher. I will not know my exact numbers until I input all of my costs, which I haven't really done yet because I just got the product sync working over the weekend, and I have a ton of products in my Seller Central account, and it took a while. I know I hate making excuses, but probably by the time you see the October income report, it'll be back in some like standardized way where I'll know my exact numbers. But I know that my revenue at least was $16,822. The profit was where I estimated a little bit because I need to input all of my costs, which takes a little bit of time for the various SKUs that I sell. About halfway through September, I got my best-selling brand of products restocked. I've also got another shipment to restock one of my other, it's not even a brand anymore. It was a brand at one point, I think back in like late probably 2018 if I had to guess. I get the years confused now. It doesn't sound like it was that long ago, but it really was when I'm like, man, it really was a while back. I had launched probably 7 SKUs inside of a brand, and I think to date, like one of them I still sell. And I wish I could like honestly revitalize a couple of them because they were very, very nice as far as profit goes. My issue was that it wasn't brand registered, and a couple of the listings got hijacked, and it just becomes like a pricing war at that point. So I ended up just cutting ties with them, unfortunately, right? But you live and you learn, guys. It's a learning process. We evolve as we go through it. This is also why it's nice to learn from other people's experience and not have to replicate the issues, the problems that they go through. Anyways, advertising on the month, $571 spent. Again, the SKUs that I keep in stock all rank very well organically, so I'm not like pressed to run a lot of ads to, you know what I mean? Like your ACOS, your ACOS goes up a lot higher when you're launching new products and trying to get them ranked and, you know, operating at a loss or maybe breaking even, trying to defer profitability as you boost your organic rank. Whereas like if I'm just selling my same old products, like I don't have to spend that much because I'm doing pretty well. I just want to keep the ad spend, you know, I'm still going to advertise because I don't want to make it easier on my competitors. So $571 spent, generated 99 orders, $3,800 in sales, ACOS 15%. Across, you know, my products, my average profit margin is probably floating around 30%, which is pretty healthy. I don't know how common that is these days, but, you know, like I said, like when you're up and you're boosted, your organic rank is high, you can typically increase your prices as well. I don't need to get into pricing wars with products that are established with lots of reviews and whatnot, which, by the way, start your business sooner than later because the longer you sell on Amazon, the more reviews you get, the more the algorithm learns your listing and what converts, and all these things work to your advantage with time, okay? Amazon's not get rich quick. Anybody who sells it as get rich quick is misleading you, in my personal opinion. Let's talk about Amazon merch. I did 1,237 sales on the month, bringing in $24,499 in revenue. The royalty that I kept from there was $4,827.10. My average royalty per sale was $3.90. If we look at the international marketplaces, so I've been hustling, cranking out the daily uploads, trying to be as good as possible about it. Meaning like I want to max out my daily product upload allotment, which was 8,000, and then sometime in the month they increased it to 10,000. Sometimes that means I go to sleep and I leave the computer on and I just let it upload, but most of the time I get it done during the day. Without upload automation, it wouldn't be possible. I mean, I would just be spending all day, every day sitting here. The reason I shared that is because like I'm seeing more of an uptick in the international markets. When I use the uploader, like I check every product on every marketplace. You know, I want to see, I'm kind of being the guinea pig to see what the real potential is. Granted, I'm not making designs optimized for the international markets. I know the profit potential is highest on US market, so my designs are really optimized for there, but I try to upload designs that are generic. The words that I put on them are English, but I know there's English speakers in lots of countries. When I was in China, I mean, a lot of people had English shirts. Like when I say a lot, I mean a disproportional, at least in my mind, amount of people had like English writing on their shirts, which surprised me because I mean, I didn't expect that. Anyways, US market, almost $4,200 profit. UK, 172 pound sterling profit. Germany, 111 euro. France, 49, well, basically 50 euro. Italy, 43 euro. Spain, 53 euro. And what is that? What is the Japanese one? Is that won? I wish I knew. Yeah, yen and won. Okay, so it's yen, I guess. Yen and won came up according to Google. I got 11,300 yen. It's yen, right, for Japan? If it's not, I apologize. I will figure it out at some point. So here we go. If you want to check out my income report, I put some more like detailed information in the blog post. I'll put a link to it at the top of the description. Sales analytics, as you can see there, the big blue lines behind me are US market sales, and then the colored lines correspond to international markets. By the way, I pulled this data from Pretty Merch Pro, and not to say too much, but I know there are some big enhancements coming to Pretty Merch Pro in the pipeline in the future. I don't actually know when it's going to go live, but they've got big plans for that. So stay tuned. You know, I'll keep you guys in the loop and show you how I'll be utilizing some of the changes that I know they're planning to make. So that's exciting coming up. Breakdown by product type. So I've got 85% standard t-shirt, 3% premium, 3% hoodie, 2% v-neck, 2% tank top, and then 1% everything else: zip hoodie, long sleeve, pop socket, sweatshirt, tote bag, raglan, throw pillow. It's interesting, right? Because I mean, I do make my designs available on everything, but you can definitely see that standard t-shirt just crushing. And I mean, I believe in selling at $19.99. I think that's a fair price. I don't think people hesitate to spend $20 on a t-shirt. A lot of people, if not the majority, have Amazon Prime, so they're not paying anything extra for the shipping. I think that's where we should be aiming to list our products at for the most part. It all depends. I mean, there's definitely strategy based on tier, based on the niche, based on where you see that product ranking in the near future. If it's related to a specific holiday, you know, you got to factor in all those things. I upload primarily evergreens. And like I always say, if I make one sale a year at $19.99 on 200,000 products, I will break $1 million profit in a year. So I know it sounds good. Of course, I'll probably never get there, but I'm going to try. All right, breakdown by fit type: 62% men, 27% women, 5% unisex, 5% kids. Top colors: black, heather gray, navy, white, royal blue, heather blue, slate gray, purple, pink, olive green. I like that olive green color, by the way. I've definitely been expecting to see more shirts selling. Like sometimes I'll even optimize designs for the olive green, just because, and then I won't check like black, you know, because I want the thumbnail to be olive green. Just kind of like an experiment I've been running. But haven't seen like a massive uptick in sales there. Preview of my upload progress. So I'm at 151,000 of 200,000 designs allowed. And even though I'm uploading every day, that number doesn't always go up that much because it's like I'm battling the older designs that didn't sell getting removed from a year ago and countering that with like new designs posted, you know, today. Product potential, I'm at 6%, 786,000 of 13.2 million. That one's like taunting me because I don't think it's possible to get to 13.2 million. You'd have to make like sales on everything. So, but it is possible. So moving on, dropshipped print on demand sales. I did 420 sales, bringing in $2,357 of profit. Amazon.com led the way, 314 FBM print on demand sales via Seller Central. Amazon.co.uk, 4 sales. eBay, 18 sales. Etsy, 0. If you want to check Etsy, I've been helping my girlfriend out with her account, so check out her YouTube channel. I can put a link to it in the description, called Mary J. Halls. She definitely has been hustling to get her Etsy account as big as possible for this Q4 because she wants to, put out some good YouTube content about, big sales numbers for the fourth quarter. So, she's doing all the work. I'm just kind of in a consulting role, let's say. I don't want to take any credit. Redbubble 71 sales, Spreadshirt 5, TeePublic 0, Teespring 0, Zazzle 8 sales. I had, in the previous months been getting some decent sales from Spreadshirt and Zazzle, but nothing too crazy in September. So you can see here from my Printful sales dashboards, kind of my ups and downs on Amazon FBM. I also sell through Gearbubble, so this does not encapsulate like all of the sales that came in as FBM print on demand through Seller Central, because I also have the Gearbubble side of things. But it's nice to at least have a nice visual to include in the videos. Amazon.co.uk. I haven't been uploading there honestly for months, probably like 3 or 4 months. I downgraded my account so I don't pay the monthly fee. So I can't have the G10 exemption, so I can't post new products, but I kept it open as an individual seller account just so that I can capture some sales from what's already up there. And eBay. I had some big months this year, but it's kind of been waning down over time. But still, I'll take the extra $279 profit from eBay. That's not bad. Times that by 12. What do you get? 280 times 12. I've had big months. You have small months too. But let's just say I made $280 a month on eBay. That's $3,360 profit a year. You know what I mean? $3,360. That's a vacation. So who wouldn't be happy with that? You know what I mean? That's not even, nobody's impressed when you guys are watching this video. Like who's impressed by $280 in a month? No, probably nobody. Like we like to see the big numbers. But $280 times 12. Like think, in terms of a year. Also, I anticipate that number going up as we head into the fourth quarter. So while it's $280 in September, I'll bet you October is going to be higher, and I'll bet you November is going to be higher than October, and I'll bet you December is going to be higher than November. So really evaluate on the 12-month scale. If you're not giving it at least 12 months, I mean, what are you doing? And then I was able to achieve, I always need to fix this. I was able to achieve a silver volume discount of 7%, not a gold volume discount of 8%. I need to fix that on my website. I will do so by the time you watch this video. All right, and Amazon KDP, 66 sales, $107.42 of profit, $1.63 average royalty. Yeah, I'm working on a plan. I feel like I say this every time, where I can make KDP, where I can find time to really prioritize KDP again. If I'm running my merch uploader, I can't simultaneously upload to KDP because it's IP-based throttling, and it will prevent both of them from working at the same time. So I can only do one at a time. And as long as I can get the merch uploads finished during the day, I can run the KDP while I'm asleep. It's, I got a lot going on in my life, but I don't like to make excuses, so I will eventually figure this out. But that's what's going on with KDP. It's really just kind of fell to the side for me. That being said, there's still money to be made. The fourth quarter's coming, so I should be uploading right now because this is when I really get the most reward for my time invested. So I'll make a point of trying to do that. US market was my biggest market, followed by the UK, and the rest are kind of just like 1 or 2 sales. Canada, I guess, came in third, but not even close third. All right, Google Ads. So this is always nice. I mean, this stuff is basically free money to me because the stuff that I do, like YouTube or some of the websites that I run, I don't think I ever really set out to make that. Well, I guess you could say the websites. I was hoping to make money, but I didn't know how much I'd make. And while it's not life-changing money, it is what it is. It's free money. Earnings on the month, $4,274 from just ad revenue through Google AdSense. YouTube brought in $4,208. The website that I run, $66. I mean, that's actually a couple different websites, but one main one that gets most of the traffic. That one main website got 551,000 page views and 419,000 ad impressions. This is a screenshot from the Google Ads dashboard, like revenue report or estimated earnings report. Google Analytics for the month, in case anybody cares. YouTube revenue for Ryan Hogue Passive Income on the month brought in $4,138 of estimated revenue. My second channel, which I really did not do a great job of posting videos to over the month of September. I think I only posted 1 new video. Sorry about that. It still brought in $70 of ad revenue, so not bad, right? I mean, I'll take $70. Subscribers gained about 2,300. I'd love to see that get higher. I'm thinking about like kind of maybe changing my approach to doing these videos to optimize more for watch time, because I think like the percentage of the video that actually gets watched helps increase like how many people they push it out to. It's like you got to cater to the algorithm basically, just like we do with, you know, the Amazon algorithm. If we want to get seen by more people, get more sales, I think the YouTube algorithm, the name of the game is really driving engagement. So getting people to like, subscribe, comment, and then also like what view duration, you know, as a function of the length of the video are they watching. So I got to think about that, ways to change up my videos and make them more entertaining. But anyways, guys, thank you to all the subscribers currently on my channel, 81,000, almost 82,000 of you guys. I really appreciate that. If you're not subscribed and you want to consider doing so, hey, that would be great. I'd really appreciate it. So anyways, let's wrap up. So my September 2021 income report, if we add everything together, including $4,385 profit from Amazon FBA, $4,827 profit from merch, $2,357 profit from dropship print on demand, $4,274 from Google Ads. That should bring the total profit up to, let me open up my spreadsheet and see where I have the sum. And I forgot KDP, $107.42. Total profit, $15,952.03 on the month in September 2021. Definitely excited for the fourth quarter to start in October. It is the October 4th today. Have you guys been seeing an uptick in sales yet? Typically, I think I start to see it in like the back half of October. But I'm excited. This is crunch time. You know, make a point of setting aside some time every single day to design, to upload, to do whatever it is that you think is going to make you the most amount of money in the fourth quarter when we know customers are looking to spend the most. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.